And guys, the profit in business actually comes from buying the goods, not from selling them. Whatever price you set, you might sell it to the customer for a little less. That's why when you buy goods, you have to think carefully and use your brain to make the right decision. Isn't that right, brother? Yes, it is.
So Prabha Payankar, guys, मेरा मेरे वीडियो बनना है.
So this shopkeeper here, look at this. What are you making? I said I'm making a video. He asked about what? I said I just keep making videos all day. The channel will grow. And then he said, brother, you must be earning over 100,000 a month. Hello guys, welcome back and how are you all? So because of the bad weather, our business has been affected for the past several days. It's been really slow. There's hardly any business at all. Look, even today the weather turned bad. It usually happens in the evening. For 2 days it's been like this. Intense heat in the afternoon and rain at night. And to all my old subscribers, I want to let you know, those who have been subscribed for a while, you must know this is our place. Here views are monitored. On Fridays there's a market, but even on that day sales weren't good. Right now I'm going to the shop. I need to get some things from there. Look at this helpless man. He's so troubled by the heat. What's happened? There's a lot of pain. A lot of pain. Not just the pain of life, but he has his own pain too.
And do you have any pain?
You don't feel my pain, but now you should. You really should. It started raining now, so quickly bring inside the things you took out earlier. Look at this. Oh my god, it's pouring. Maybe you can't tell that much on the phone, but it's raining hard here. If you look at all the bikes, you'll understand. After that heavy rain, everything's finally clear now. The sky is clear, but there was a lot of rain. The power went out and now it's very hot. Nothing good came of it for anyone. It rained and got cold earlier, then the power went out. Now the rain has stopped and it's hot, which is another issue. So tell me, what can poor God do? Actually, we really needed the rain. Guys, my shop is in the tea garden area. And because the rain didn't come at the right time here, the tea leaves couldn't grow properly. So because of that, a lot of the laborers have been made to sit idle. Because there's no work, there's no leaf plucking work and there's no work. That's why. That's why people aren't getting paid and business is slowing down. Customer numbers drop. Because when people lack money, this happens. Now that the rain has started, customers don't come to the shop because of the rain either. I mean, small shopkeepers like us or small businessmen, we get stuck really badly in any situation. What can I even say? And guys, look at this. Divyansh has finally arrived at the shop to create some chaos.
क्या हुआ है डैड? क्या हुआ है? ऐसे ही हो? Are you okay?
Okay. I just bought this and I'll go straight to the city now to get the goods. Okay? I have a little time. Should I go to Mahajan or somewhere else? Let me know. The cash flow is good right now. Bagmundre, you can see this here, right here. I have several golden colors like this and I'm taking several Hermans. So I took this small size. This one was out of stock. Now this size is not there. All are big sizes. So I'm searching for it. So that all the boxes are here. And you have to take a mix of all these styles. Sometimes what happens is, look at this size I'm showing you, okay? Look at this. There's a little difference between this size and that size. And the customer wants all this. Bro, this size is a bit bigger and this size is a bit smaller. It really messes with your mind. You have to pay a lot of attention to detail. The profit is actually in buying the goods. So whatever price you set, sell it to the customer with a little discount. When buying goods, you have to think carefully and use your mind properly. Isn't that right, bro? He came from America. He only knows English. So guys, मैंने शॉप पे बताए और जिस पे आइटम्स मैंने गए मैं यहाँ पे बताएगा. So guys, मैंने कुछ ही बात करते बताया है. Now I am heading home and a little while ago your Kanchi Babi called. Your Kanchi Bibi's blood pressure is a bit low. So she asked me to bring some pomegranates and a few fruits. That's why I've come to the fruit shop now. So guys, next. It must have come in this. There's quite a price difference. You also see and mention the price. It's really expensive, man. These days you guys should tell me the price of Ranabi fruit, apple and pomegranate. I need to know, so let me know. I was making a video here and our shopkeeper brother who was sitting at the shop asked, "What are you making?" I replied, "I'm making a video." He asked, "What is the video about?" So I told him I keep making videos like this all day. He checked out the channel and said, "Brother, you must earn over 100,000 a month." That's what he said. Alright, if you are from Alipurduar, visit Brothers shop. I have mentioned the fruit prices too. I checked prices at two shops earlier. One was higher. I said no, we buy fruit only from here.
अगर आप चेक करो तो कोई इशू नहीं है. It was actually cheaper.
That's the scene, guys. Alright, see you in a bit. Finally, we've reached the shop. You can see the weather here. It's getting cloudy again.
Let's put all the stuff inside first.
How's your day been? How much have you sold?
Today, the sales are these two baskets of chickpeas. About 750 since morning.
About 750 since morning. See, this is how it's been since morning. Sales should have been at least 15 or 20 by now. It should have been above 2000 by now. On average, that's what our sales are in the shop. मैंने brought this much stock based on the last 3 days calculations. Does it seem like too much to you? It's summer season right now. This will sell, okay? So many bolts. I brought 6 pieces of the small one and 3 pieces of the big one. That's why there's so much stock. Yeah, so what I was saying, guys, is that there's a surprise for you all in the coming days. What is the surprise? Let me give you a little hint. The surprise will be related to the shop, okay? What it should be like on the front side, make sure to tell me in the comments. You guys should also put in a little effort.
Average. On average, what we should have had.
Why haven't you subscribed yet? But I like how this looks. I will use it.
इसी एवरेज 2 3 4 5 छठे यूजुअली बताता है, छठे पीसेस में आता है और उसके बाद है फ्री, नॉट फ्री फॉर सेलिंग. अगर आप यूज करने के लिए तो 2 और या 4 दिन पर में बना देगा. So these are 2 brushes. And you can see them here as well. There's DAP shampoo, Tresemme shampoo, Pond's cream, and along with that a lot of creams and powders here. That's all, guys. Let me show you today's items, and this is the big one, viewers. So altogether I brought these items here today. We should have made around 9,000 in sales. And to help out, the boss, the Biyans Baba has arrived. It's fine to pack the items like this. Baba, yes, like this, like this. And the last vlog I posted, guys, someone commented there that they know the solution to the problem I'm having with my eyes. And they asked me for my number. So, look guys, if I put my number in the YouTube comment box, it will automatically be removed by YouTube. आपका एक बात कर रहा हूँ, मेरा इंस्टाग्राम आईडी अभिषेक तंत्रा. आपको मैसेज करने के लिए मैं रिप्लाई करती हूँ और जो भी सोल्यूशन आपको आप बताऊंगा. एंड आई सॉ अ कमेंट वेयर दे सेड दैट व्हेन द डॉक्टर डजंट नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट द इलनेस इज, then they say all kinds of things. Alright, that's also true. For now, I'm keeping my options open. If the situation gets a lot worse, then I'll have to go out. But as things are right now, it's not that bad. If it keeps decreasing, then what's the need to go out? Okay, and look, after bringing in the stock, I've displayed everything perfectly. Everything is fully stocked for now. But if we talk about the sales, there's nothing special yet. Nothing much has happened. Look, it's already evening. But so far, the sales are only around 1,700 or 1,800 rupees. We'll make a video. Let's see. A customer वो भी आगा numbers में तो हम लोगों sales होता था और customers नहीं था कई कर सकते हैं. Because अब already evening है. That means there are still another 1 or 2 hours left. Usually within 1 or 2 hours good business happens. Alright, so that's it for today's vlog. We'll do a bit of shop work now. See you in the next video. Bye.